Thank you for joining us on this Sunday morning. It is July 3rd. A gorgeous start to your Sunday. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in the Weather Center. A lot of 4th of July early festivities happening today. Eric, how is it looking for later on?
First off, starting out today, temperatures are going to be rising into the 60s and 70s. Absolutely gorgeous conditions with low humidity. Sunshine across the board. If you're planning on doing some grilling today, let me be on the good side across the Mohawk Valley, Southern Valleys, as well as the North Country. Take a look at our grill cast right now. Looking ahead, grilling is on the menu for the next couple of hours as well throughout the entire day pretty much. Looking at beautiful conditions across the area. Live look at York for battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar looking dry in our region right now. Look to remain dry for the next couple of days. Right now it's currently 66 degrees with sunny skies in the Utica-Rome region. And take a look at these dew points down into the 50s. We're feeling a lot more refreshing humidity after a lot of that much more humid conditions moved out of our area yesterday. Weather headlines, it'll be a beautiful day, a bit breezy, wind speeds between 10 to 15 miles per hour, but otherwise beautiful conditions. Sunshine continues for tomorrow for the 4th of July. Absolutely gorgeous continuation of this holiday weekend. Rain and storms will follow Independence Day heading into Tuesday. However, today, highs in the 70s with lots of sunshine and breaking down what to expect for the next couple of days, as well as the rainfall arriving on Tuesday coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We saw a few passing clouds this morning make way for sunny skies across the board. It looks to be the story throughout the day today with temperatures rising into the 70s with sunshine and a bit of a breeze. Here's a live look at our Caviate Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. As you can see right now, beautiful conditions across the Mohawk Valley as well as most areas of central New York right now. Sunny skies across the boards. Clouds have moved to the southeast right now as we look across the state. On the New York State Mezzanine, as we can see, blue skies, not a cloud in the sky for most areas, all the way from Camden down to Herkimer, as well as Brookfield, Sherburne, and Lawrence. Beautiful conditions across the state. Live look York for battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. As we can see, dry conditions across the state right now as well. The rain showers and storms moved further down to the south as the storms moved from the past couple of days out to the south. Our comfort index today look to remain on the less humid side to more dry conditions throughout the day today. Temperatures rising into the 70s. Looking to remain on the dry side throughout the majority of the day today, too. So looking ahead to our comfort index, we're looking to remain nowhere near the humid conditions as we saw the past couple of days. Around the clock today, we start on the 60s, rise up into the 70s, and remain in the 70s throughout most of the afternoon and evening hours. Wind speeds on the gusty side, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds throughout the day today. But other than that, it's looking like a gorgeous day to spend time outside and enjoy cooking on the grill, or maybe seeing some fireworks later on too. Because as you can see, sunshine across the board. We're not tracking any cloud cover until later on tonight. So a beautiful day ahead of us. The bigger picture, a high pressure is currently situated right over Michigan. What this is doing is this is rotating winds around the north of it and blowing winds right over the Mohawk Valley as well as other areas of our central New York region, making areas a little bit breezy as it is funneling winds right across the valleys. Other than that, we're tracking lots of sunshine as high pressure will be keeping things mostly dry throughout our area, at least for today as well as tomorrow. They're tracking our next chance of rain showers arriving as we head into Tuesday. Looking ahead in our skycast, temperatures rising to the 70s today. Beautiful conditions across the board. Breezy once again, but still absolutely gorgeous. Low humidity. We cool back down into the 50s and 40s. A bit chilly tonight, but still, if you want to keep those windows open, enjoy the low humidity as well. Have some natural AC. Heading into Monday, increasing cloud cover later on in the afternoon. Still a beautiful day. Temperatures in the 70s once again. We're tracking increasing humidity as we head into Tuesday, however, increasing cloud cover overnight. Mainly the showers we're looking at right now for the possibility of seeing additional showers and mainly to the North Country. We're tracking much more widespread showers as we head into the evening hours on Tuesday before a cold front moves through, bringing some additional scattered showers. And overall, the low pressure is going to be directly over our area, so we'll not be seeing any severe weather, at least at this point in time. Today, highs in the 70s with sunshine, a bit breezy. It's going to cool down into the 50s with cooler conditions as well on the less breezy side as well. Tomorrow, absolutely beautiful. Highs in the 70s with partly cloudy skies. Our 7-day forecast, we return to rain showers and possible storms on Tuesday before we dry up once again for Wednesday and Thursday, highs in the lower 80s. And our weekend trivia, Independence Day wasn't an official holiday until when? After the Declaration of Independence was signed.
Let's go with 1910.
1910, it was close. It was actually 1870, and I didn't realize it was actually almost 100 years after the Declaration of Independence.
I knew it was a long time after. But yeah, I was just
it wasn't until like 1938 actually when it actually became an official paid holiday. So
that's what I was thinking of.
Oh yeah. So you thought of that too.
Isn't it interesting that it took that long?
It was the actual like formation of like Declaration of Independence, and it took almost 100 years to even get an official holiday. So,
Well, I'm glad that it's a holiday, aren't you?
yes.
All right, thank you so much, Eric. Well, it was a big day for a community. So much for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. We're going to get you right over to the Weather Center because I know you're all really interested about that forecast. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in the Weather Center. Eric.
Yes, we're tracking nice conditions throughout the day today, so definitely good news on the weather side. Temperatures rising into the 70s with sunny skies across the board today. A bit on the breezy side, but still beautiful conditions. Let's take a look at what to expect temperatures across the region today. Starting in the North Country, a bit on the cooler side, temperatures in the upper 60s. It will reach the lower 70s with the sunshine throughout the day today. On the breezy side, it'll make it feel a little bit cooler in the Mohawk Valley. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Remaining in the 70s as well as you go across Southern Valleys, temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Looking at 70 degrees in Garrettsville as well as 71 in Cooperstown and 70 degrees in Cherry Valley. Current temperature right now is 66 degrees in the Yucca-Rome region with dew points down to the 50s, feeling very refreshing with low humidity. And Live York Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar looking dry across our region right now. Take a look at our radar and satellite. Yesterday we mentioned the tropical storm Colin that was on the coast of the Carolinas and was moving in the northeast direction. Now thankfully it has weakened, is no longer a tropical storm, it is now a remnant of a tropical storm, and it will continue to move out to the Atlantic as we head in the next couple of days. Today though, highs in the 70s. We're tracking the next couple of days what to expect for sunshine as well as rain showers arriving on Tuesday coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric. Now,
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We are continuing to see temperatures rising into the 60s and 70s today with beautiful conditions across the region. Beautiful skies lasting today as well as tomorrow with highs in the 70s. There's a live look at our radar camera overlooking the city of Oneonta and beautiful conditions across the state. Clouds have moved further down to the south. We're tracking sunny skies across the board. A live look at York Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As you can see, once again, dry conditions across the central New York region. We're not seeing any green, no rain, no storms for the time being. Scorchers this morning, 62 degrees in Curtis Corners, 68 degrees in Mohawk, 50 degrees in Gray. As you can see, early on in the morning, temperatures were still in the cooler side, 57 degrees in Verona Beach, as well as 58 in Westdale. Warmed back up into 60s, 63 degrees in New Hartford, as well as 65 in Emerson and 64 degrees in Hartwick. Those temperatures are going to rise up into the 70s today with beautiful conditions across our region. Temperatures remaining in the mid 70s throughout the afternoon and evening hours. We're tracking a bit on the breezy side for wind speeds, winds between 10 to 15 miles per hour throughout the day. Looking to remain on the breezy side, but otherwise beautiful conditions across the board to spend time outside with family and friends, going out to do some grilling or perhaps even watching some fireworks later on today. The bigger picture, we have a high pressure out towards Michigan that is basically rotating winds across the north and basically forcing them right into our area following a cold front that brought some storms as we early on as well as Friday as well as Saturday. We are tracking breezy conditions throughout the day as the winds are funneling into our area, but otherwise sunny conditions across the board for at least today as well as tomorrow with increasing clouds. And looking ahead towards the rest of this weekend, we're tracking beautiful conditions. Once again, temperatures today rising into the 70s with breezy conditions, otherwise sunny skies across the board. We cool back down to the 60s, 50s, and eventually 40s in some areas, especially higher elevations near inlet, North Country elevations seeing temperatures in the 40s on the cooler side, but still, if you want to enjoy that low humidity, keep those windows open for a natural AC tonight. Early Monday morning for 4th of July, we're starting out temperatures rising to the 60s and 70s once again, increasing cloud cover. We're tracking dry conditions throughout the day. Looking ahead towards the early morning hours on Tuesday, however, we are tracking additional rain showers to the North Country. Mainly the southern valleys and Mohawk Valley will remain dry. However, we are looking at more increased chances of scattered showers and storms later on in the evening on Tuesday. So looking ahead towards the rest of the 4th of July weekend, we're looking to remain sunny and dry for the next couple of days. Today, beautiful and lots of sunshine, highs in the 70s, a bit breezy too. Tonight, we cool down into the 50s and possibly 40s in higher elevations on the chilly side, but still low humidity for today as well as tomorrow. Beautiful conditions tomorrow with highs in the 70s. Fitting temperature 76 degrees for the 4th of July, 1776, or 7-day forecast. Look ahead towards Tuesday. Next chance of scattered showers and storms. Dry for Wednesday and Thursday, highs in the 80s. Our final trivia question, Congress voted for independence from Great Britain on July 4th, 1776. True or false?
oh, okay, let's see. Yeah, right? Duh.
It is false. And it's a trick question, I know. And actually, so Congress declared freedom of Great Britain back on July 2nd, but they didn't actually make the Declaration of Independence. It wasn't like officially put out to the public until July 4th.
Right.
So actually, a few founding fathers still thought that the 2nd of July should have been
No kidding.
the actual Independence Day.
You had to wait for the ink to dry, right?
Yeah, so I guess like celebrating the 4th of July weekend, you can still have fireworks on the 2nd because it technically was the actual Independence
So don't
Day.
complain when there's fireworks all weekend long, everyone, right? Thank you so much, Eric. Well, there's a fun event.
Forecast tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Evening, hoping everyone has enjoyed the beautiful day today with low humidity, sunny skies, temperatures in the 70s. Tracking what to expect tonight if you're planning on enjoying some fireworks. Looking ahead, temperatures falling into the 60s. Might want to bring a sweatshirt if you're planning to see fireworks later on in the evening, but overall, beautiful and dry conditions tonight for fireworks. Live look at York Road Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar looking at dry conditions across the state right now. And current temperature is 74 degrees in the Utica-Rome region right now. Still in the 70s and 60s in some areas as well. Dew point in the 40s. It's very refreshing for humidity right now. It'll be cool and clear tonight. Sunshine returns tomorrow, another beautiful day. Increasing clouds as we're tracking rain and storms for Tuesday. Details of that coming up just a minute. But this evening, temperatures in the 70s, absolutely gorgeous. We're tracking what to expect next couple of days, including the first look at the Boilermaker forecast coming up. Back over to you, Saira.
Thank you, Eric. There are new details.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. We're looking ahead towards an absolutely beautiful evening this evening across central New York. Temperatures cooling down into the 60s, a bit breezy, but still sunny skies, making way for clear skies as we head into tonight. Here's a live look at our Cavey Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. And as you can see, clear skies across the board. It is a similar story across central New York as a look across the state on the New York State Mezzanine. As you can see, a few fair weather clouds across some areas, but still beautiful blue skies across the area today. A lovely day to spend time outside with friends and family enjoying the holiday weekend. A live look at York Road Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're looking dry in our region right now. As we look ahead towards the next couple of days, we're tracking rain showers arriving as we head into Tuesday, but overall tomorrow is looking nice. Scouts temperature 68 degrees in Inlet, 70 degrees in West Leiden, 74 in Barneveld, 72 in Curtis Corners. Across Southern Valley's temperatures in the 70s as well, 71 degrees in Hartwick and Cassville, 74 in Whitesboro, 70 degrees in Milford as well. Beautiful conditions. Take a look at our comfort index for the next 24 hours. Looks to remain on the dry side. We're cooling down pretty chilly tonight. We warm right back up tomorrow into the 70s with dry conditions across the board. Not tracking humid conditions at least until Tuesday. So overall, looking to keep those windows open for the next couple of days. Beautiful conditions for that. Natural AC from the air outside. Radar and satellite, a high pressure that is still actually right over Michigan is bringing breezy conditions, basically rotating the air around the north, moving across the Mohawk Valley as well as southern valleys and north country, bringing wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour in some areas for max wind gusts, but still wind speeds on the 10 mile per hour range. Just a noticeable breeze, not too bad. However, what this will be doing is making our air very dry tonight, making clear skies across the board. Perfect for viewing fireworks tonight if you're planning on seeing them. Looking ahead towards tonight, though, temperatures are going to cool down into the 60s and 50s in some areas as well, mainly in higher elevations tonight. So take a look at 10 o'clock this evening. As you can see, right in the low 60s, upper 50s. Heading to North Country, though, we're going to cool down into the 40s in higher elevations. Outlying areas, specifically down in Oneonta as well as Inlet, we're cooling down into the 40s. Low humidity as well as clear skies will make those temperatures feel a little bit chilly. Tomorrow, sunny skies again for the early morning hours. We're tracking increasing cloud cover throughout the afternoon, but still warm conditions, low humidity, temperatures in the 70s. A beautiful day tomorrow to enjoy the Independence Day, to finish off the Independence Day weekend. After that, we are tracking increasing cloud cover later on in the early morning hours for Tuesday. Increasing chances of rain showers in the North Country. We're tracking a cold front moving in from across the state from the west, bringing possible scattered showers and storms later on in the evening to early morning Wednesday. That's current timing right now. So tracking additional rain showers as well. Now looking ahead towards the Boilermaker outlook so far, the good news is we are tracking temperatures in the 70s with clear skies. However, this is still a week away. So we're not tracking any more additional rain showers as well, possibly until the next couple of days. Tonight, cooling into the 50s, cool and clear. Tomorrow, beautiful conditions, highs in the 70s once again. Our 7-day forecast, rain showers return Tuesday night into Wednesday. Dry conditions for Wednesday and Thursday, highs in the 80s. Looking ahead towards Boilermaker once again, we're still tracking sunny skies. Be right back.
Tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
A beautiful day across central New York today. Temperatures remaining in the 70s. We're cooling down into the 60s and even 50s. A chilly night tonight. Dry conditions as well. Here's a live look at York for Battery. Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. As you can see, dry conditions across our area for the time being, lasting until tomorrow as well. Right now, it's 59 degrees in the Utica Warm region. It is currently cooling down into the 50s as well. Dew points are in the 50s, in the low 50s as well. So we're tracking very refreshing conditions for humidity. We're not tracking more humid conditions until we get into Tuesday. Weather headlines will be cool and clear tonight. Temperatures cooling down to the 50s, even 40s in some areas. I'll explain where to expect that coming up. Sunshine continues tomorrow. A beautiful 4th of July tomorrow as well. And we're tracking rain and storms as we head into Tuesday. Tonight, though, cooling down into the 50s with clear skies. Tracking what to expect over the next couple of days, including the rain showers arriving on Tuesday coming up. Back over to you, Saira.
Thank you, Eric. Perfect.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. We are tracking cooler temperatures tonight, falling into the 50s and possibly 40s in some areas. Tracking another beautiful day tomorrow. Temperatures rising to the 70s with a gorgeous day for the 4th of July. Here's a live look at our Cabby Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We're tracking clear skies across the region right now. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Tracking once again dry conditions across the board. Not looking to see any rain showers or storms look to arrive at least until Tuesday. Taking a look at temperatures, low temperatures tonight, we're going to be cooling down into the 40s, a bit on the chilly side. Might want to close the windows as we head into tonight. You know, it's low humidity as well, but still temperatures will be cooling down into the 40s on the chilly side. Across the Mohawk Valley too, still in the 50s. However, it will be on the low side, cooling down into the 40s as well in some areas. Higher elevations are going to be more susceptible to seeing these temperatures in the 40s, but overall, southern valleys, temperatures remaining in the 40s as well. A cool night tonight. Now, around the clock tomorrow, we're going to be warming right back up again with that low humidity. Those temperatures will quickly change from the 40s back into the 50s, 60s, and eventually 70s, close to reaching 80 degrees in lower elevations as we head into tomorrow, but still a beautiful warm day tomorrow. Wind speeds a bit less breezy compared to today. Temperatures once again in the 70s with a light breeze and sunny skies across the board. We're tracking increasing cloud cover throughout the evenings. We're tracking additional rain showers overnight into early Tuesday morning as well, mainly in the North Country. Now looking ahead in our radar and satellite, the bigger picture, we have a high pressure that is now slowly moved from Michigan out towards New York State. Now, it will be moving up towards our area primarily for the early morning hours, and then it'll start shifting further down to the south over towards the Atlantic Ocean, down towards Washington as well. Now, overnight, because of this high pressure, we're tracking clear conditions tonight and increasing clouds tomorrow with sunshine in the early morning hours and increasing clouds once again. Look ahead towards our skycast. The story so far, look ahead towards tonight, temperatures cooling down into the 50s. Clear across the board. We warm back up into the 60s and 70s tomorrow, rising once again to 60s and 70s with increasing cloud cover in the early afternoon and evening hours. Mainly in the North Country, we're tracking much more cloudy conditions. Now, passing clouds make way for rain showers. The good news is we're not tracking any rain showers for the most part for tomorrow. Increasing cloud cover later on in the evening, so you want to enjoy some fireworks. Looks to be on the good side, at least for the most part, as we head into the evening hours tomorrow. Now, looking ahead, early morning Tuesday, additional rain showers primarily in the North Country. This will probably be some widespread showers throughout the day, and then we're tracking dry weather before another cold front brings some more increasing chances of showers and possible storms moving across our area from a cold front arriving later on in the evening to early morning Wednesday. Once again, if you're looking to enjoy some fireworks for tomorrow, temperatures rising out into the 60s to 70s for the afternoon and evening hours, remaining in the 60s with increasing clouds. A beautiful evening tomorrow to check out some fireworks. Now, looking ahead to our Boilermaker, this is an early look ahead. We're tracking dry conditions and temperatures remaining in the 70s. Now, this could change. It's still a week away, but still, this is what, if everything moves exactly what we're supposed to be seeing, we're tracking dry conditions for the Boilermaker for Sunday. Tonight, cooling down to the 50s with cool and clear conditions. Tomorrow, checking in highs in the 70s, beautiful conditions as well. As the 4th of July is looking absolutely gorgeous. Our 7-day forecast, return to rain showers and storms possible on Tuesday. Dry conditions Wednesday and Thursday, highs reaching the 80s. Before tracking our next chance of showers on Friday, once again, highs in the 80s as well. Looking ahead to the Boilermaker, once again, temperatures in the 70s with partly cloudy skies. Over to you, Talha.
Coming up, the Mets look to bounce.
Note for Independence Day tomorrow, there will be no News Channel 2 sunrise, noon, or live at 5 news hour. Make sure you join us at 6, 10, and 11 for local coverage and more. That will do it for us here. We will see you tomorrow. Have a good night.